Hello everyone, this is a very simple tutorial of how to activate the EXModel Personal for 1-year trial. So first of all, you need to conduct a wired connection in EXModel Hub software. You need to connect your newly purchased EINSTAR 2 or EINSTAR Rockit using the original USB cable from the toolkit. When you have successfully completed the wired connection, you can see the current connection status of the device and the corresponding device serial number in the left corner of the software. Next, you can create a new project to complete a scan and then finish meshing the data. Click Export the scan and then click Obtain 1-year personal license. Next, you need to fill in the needed information. You will be taken to the page where you can fill in the information about the activation. You can see that the serial number of your device has been automatically filled in. Once you have completed all the required information, click Get License to activate the EXModel Personal. You will then be directed to the download page. After launching, you can search for the software named EXModel 2026 on your PC to open EXModel Personal. You can also get access to EXModel Personal in EXModel Hub's post-processing page. Next, fill in your registered email address. Then you can activate the software for 1 year free of charge. If you have any questions about the activation process, please feel free to contact EINSTAR support.